Good morning everyone, myself Sushmitha. Today in this video presentation I am going to discuss about the high level network design of an SME.
Let's see the content of the current design network. Introduction, requirements, design solutions and conclusion. In the design proposal, we can see that the employees of SMEs comprises of micro, small and medium companies, which are of like 5 to 10 members in micro and 5 to 20 members in the small and medium in as 20 to 50 members. They are also formed as a group of 5 and 50 members, 51 and 150 members, and less than 5 members in the micro teams. So we can see that the requirements of the current network design have been included with networking devices, softwares, cables, servers and firewalls. So in the present network device, switches like core switches of 3700 series of Catalyst 3750, high capacity of routers of 3600 series and 3620 are used. The trunk connections are also enabled to access the switches that are included with a group of PCs. Also different types of cables like fiber optical cable, UTP twisted pair and unshielded cables are used. The softwares like Boson NetSim and Packet Tracer are used to construct the logical and physical diagrams of the network topologies. In the current slide, we can see that the network solution is for the proposed SME with a group of routers, switches and other devices. We can see that the firewall has been connected with the routers to enable the security issues, and the PCs are connected with the switches to access the data and network informations. For every project we can see there is a scope of the design. For in this project we can see that the important aspect of the scope is like the having higher network performances of degree of fairness in users about the quality of service and the network challenges. Also, a specific requirement of clients must be uniquely defined before the starting of the project and can be included as the technological aspects and applications. While creating a network, it should be performed to have the reliable and supporting networks in the future expansions and also provide the network scalabilities. When we see in the network solution, we can observe the LAN and WAN connections and hence can be described by the LAN and WAN descriptions. So Ethernet is a famous LAN technique that can be used, while Internet is a famous technique that can be used in the WAN connections. In the WAN connections, packet and circuit switching methods are used for the less expensive compared with the leased links. Also, the features includes like LAN operates within 1 kilometer of range, while WAN operates with the combination of LANs and MANs. So the medium of network is like telephone links, satellite links and microwave links in the WAN, while in the LAN the server acts as a medium. So examples can be seen in the way that can be established. LAN can be established in an educational institution among different blocks, which is in a smaller area, while in the wide area networks, the internet can be established across the institutions and the whole company. So keeping in mind about the requirements of wireless solutions, 802.11 has been used for the wireless access points with the Ethernet cables and desktop PCs. When discussing about the Ethernet MEF services, we can include the E-line, E-LAN and E-tree protocols. The E-line service type provides symmetrical bandwidth, while the E-LAN service type provides the best effort of the service, while the E-tree service provides the support of 2 or more routes of UNIs. The best examples can be given like the best services between the 10 Mbps of E-line can be used, and the security features and policies. While talking about the network securities, they mainly concentrate on the business that should be secured and provide efficient network without any issues and complications. The main objective of any network design is to have lesser network issues to reduce the networking techniques. It is achieved by the implementation of firewalls and antivirus techniques. For a better quality of security, policies must be included at the initial stage of designing the network and reducing the risks. Few counter tools of ethical hackings are also upgraded within the security policies that can be discussed in the earlier stages of the network device. Certain protocols and techniques have been used in any networking designs, but in this specific design, virtual private networks have been widely used. In order to develop any network topologies, we have used Boson NetSim in our labs, which can be implemented in the same network design. So here we can see the two routers with the serial connections and are connected with the switches and group of PCs that can be able to access the internet. The redundancy and failover plans. Considering the data protection as SME issues, SMEs can make the handling data encryptions over the internet, which provides the services. The main focus on this network design is to provide high availability backup of network, fast link failure detections, redundant link, and requirement of routing protocols. The main goal of redundancy is to mitigate the unplanned risky outputs. By reducing the network failures and their effects, loss can also be reduced by deep thinking of decision making. Finally, it can be concluded that the best network design has been designed for the SMEs as they are much familiar with the latest networking connections and the requirements and the performance made by them. So, it is important to design any network with high efficiency, flexibility, and provide scalability performances in the connections. However, while coming to the WAN and LAN services, they are well used in this network design, as any networking designs consists of flaws and advantages. We can see that it can be overcome by the upgrade of the techniques we use. So the important factors that include in this are, apart from the technology, the staff and managers are required to be effective. Thank you for giving me this opportunity.